Hey guys, we're doing the team draw for the 4-box break. It's 2:47, 12 p.m. Melbourne time. Random is live. Just realised I need a sheet open. Alrighty, random is live for the names. We're going 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Teams now. We're going 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Random complete, and the teams are Nick Lynn, Cavs, Kane with Heat, Josh Coleman, Nets, TJ, Grizz, Adam Carter, Hawks, Simi with the Pacers, Kane with the Wizards, Marcus, Jazz, Jeff with Magic, Philip, Hornets, Shane, Raptors, Zach, Suns, Martin, Kings, Jason with the Clippers, Vincent, Celtics, Benji, Bulls, Matus, Wolves, Zach, Thunder, Bestwich, Sixers, Climbers, Blazers, Corey with the Bucks, Dobell, Spurs, Philip Tran with the Knicks and Pistons, Carter, Warriors, Climbers, Pelicans, Matus, Mavericks, Thomas Oliver, Rockets, Zach O'Toole, Lakers, and Joel McKay with the Nuggets. And that's the team draw. Break will start at